Hey, ladies and gentlemen, Alan here with the Contractor License School in Hemet. Si hablo español, si es parte de mi pueblo, mi gente, mi raza, ándale pues, estamos aquí para ayudar. I just said a bunch of stuff in Spanish if you don't speak Spanish, basically telling people in Hemet that we speak Spanish. Now, I want to say this, ladies and gentlemen, because this is a video on how to get a contractor's license in Hemet, our end of the year special for 2025, right? So I want to first touch base on the special that we're offering, and then I'm going to dive into the details of what it takes to get a contractor's license. So first of all, you can always get this pamphlet, stop by our office, or write in or text us, whatever. But it shows you all the licenses we cover. We cover basically every license in California: roofing, plumbing, electrical, general B, general contractor, right? Refrigeration, fencing, you name it, landscaping, we got it. We literally do all of them, right? So that's all you need to know. You also get that information on our website at contractorlicensenow.com. So our special is we're going to beat everybody's price, the end. Apples for apples. You come on in over the next 2 months and we got your back. And not only that, but we're also offering a special discount for these 2 months. And so that ends December 31st, 2025. So you don't get that, you're going to turn into a pumpkin. Just kidding. But January 2026, that deal is done, it's over, and we start the new year, right? Why are we doing this? Well, we're doing this because, honestly, I just love Thanksgiving. I love the festivities of Christmas. It's some of my favorite time in life. There's just, the stores start singing beautiful music. I just want to think about Christmas, and I want to think about my Lord and Savior. So I love that time of year, right? So I want to encourage you. I want to pass down our gratitude. We're just so happy to be alive and to take another breath every day. We want to pass down this gratitude. I know things have been tough with all the things going on in our politics and all that kind of stuff, and things can be a little tight. So we want to offer you this discount and get you in. Now, maybe you're thinking, well, I'm pretty slammed for December and November. I don't know if I have time. That's okay. You know why? Because you can put a deposit down for $200, and you don't even have to start till January. Let the holidays go by. Get done with some of these projects, and then get you in and get you started, right, and get you rolling. And so that's basically it, ladies and gentlemen. Let's get you in and acclimate that end of the year special in Hemet, okay? Now, keep in mind, Hemet is our online school. You do need to know that, right? If you want to take the class in person, you would want to come into either Temecula, that's probably the closest place, or in our Corona office, right? But we got your back because, it's pretty easy, right? So now, the first thing you got to do, number one, get the good information. If you need some information, you need to call us, do that. We're here for you, right? We want to be able to answer those questions. Number two, you got to jump into a school. And I'm just going to tell you, there are a lot of great schools. We don't like bashing anybody. They're just all good. Everybody's great. If you go through any other school in our competitor, I'm sure you're going to pass your test and you're going to get your license. But why us? Well, I have three things. There's a bunch of others, but I have three things that we're doing that I don't think any other school does, because our passion is your success. So I want you to know these. Number one, when you graduate from your school, our school, we're going to make you a video that is so awesome that when your homeowners see it, they're going to see the quality and the awesomeness of your work and your professionalism. The statistics of you being hired is going to shoot through the roof. Because think about this. You show up, you go to a client calls you, right? And they say, hey, can you come Friday at 9? You're like, yeah, can I send you a video of our work ahead of time? They're like, yeah, send it. And they see that. No other contractor's doing that. Like practically zero. You probably don't even know anybody that does that, right? But when you do that, the homeowner's like, wow, this team has it together. I like them. Look at their quality. We're going to do that. It's going to be branded with your logo and everything, right? That's our way of saying thank you. It's really the blue ocean effect. For example, why should the clients choose you over all the other people that are bidding for that job? Well, you don't want to say that, hey, well, I'm honest. Everybody says that. And usually people who say it statistically are liars. You don't want to say that, because how do they even know you're honest anyways? They don't know you from Adam. But when they see that video, they're like, boom, this is great, right? So this is the good thing about that, right? So we provide that for you. The second thing is we built a website called Home Pro Works, and that's when you got your license, you get listed there. Only people who went through our schools get listed there. Hoteliers, restaurateurs call us and ask for contractors. We tell them, go to our website over here and find a contractor on that website. Because remember, if you choose our school, we choose you every time. You're a part of our ecosystem. You're our peeps, right? The third thing is, well, I was an elementary school principal in Mexico for 5 years and also an educator and a contractor here in the United States. And so I say that to say, you know what? It's always been my desire to create a curriculum that is so well written and so well done. And it's unlike any other curriculum. And you're going to see that. When you see our curriculum, you're going to be like, there is no other school that has curriculum like ours. It uses the eye gate and teaches you in a powerful way, so it makes your job easier, okay? So that's very important. So just remember that. That's why you should choose our school. But if not, there are a bunch of other schools out there that are good. Now, number 3, state requirements. 3 basic, simple ones. You have to be over 18, you have to have 4 years of experience in the trade, and you have to have a valid Social Security number or ITIN. The next thing is application. That's number 4. The application, well, that could be pretty daunting. It's like 30 pages, but you don't have to worry about it. We're going to take care of that for you. We're going to make it seamless and simple. We just want you to focus on studying our material so you can pass the test. We know that you're working out there, you're trying to provide for your family, you're trying to work in this economy and make money. Let us do the stuff that we can do that's easy for us. We'll take care of that. The only thing you're going to really have to do is we're going to give you the certificate of work experience. That's the document that you have to take, and you have to have a contractor sign off for you, right? They can either fill it out or we can, but they need to sign it. Or you can have a homeowner sign off for you. You can have a foreman, a supervisor, a business associate, someone that worked for you within the same company that knows you did the work for 4 years, and you're golden. Bring that back. We compile that application, send it off to the state. Boom, they send you a letter, and then you simply respond to the letter by going to the website, and then you go, okay, I'm going to take my test. You get to pick your own date and time. And here's the cool thing. Unlike the past, you can take your law and business exam one day, pass it, so you only have to study and prepare for that, and then take the trade test 2 weeks later, a month later, 2 months later. You're golden, right? Then you don't have to wreck your brain with trying to memorize 2 tests that are 125 questions, 3.5 hours for each test. You don't have to go take 8 hours in one day and try to do that unless you want to, right? So you get to pick your dates and times. That's beautiful, right? That takes a lot of burden off of you. And so that's a wonderful thing. So we're going to help you set that time and get that going. You're going to go take your test. You're going to pass the first try because you went through our school. We have a pass test guarantee. You're going to bring that packet back to us. You do have to take an open book asbestos test. And so that basically just means that you read that material and you take the online test that they provide you. But here's the crazy thing. Shh, don't tell anybody. We're the only school that has the answers to that test. We're just going to give them to you. You're golden. All right? That leads me to the final thing. You turn in that last packet. You get your license in the mail in just a couple of weeks, and you're on your way. The last thing you need to do and you need to think about is BAM. Branding, advertising, and marketing. Just like this shirt. You might not be able to see it, but it says Contractor License School above the pocket. You need to have good branding and advertising and marketing because that shows off who you are. You need a website. You need social media. You know of a directory called Yelp. Everybody's heard of Yelp, but there are 500 directories. You want to get listed into them. You want to be posting and all that kind of stuff constantly. You want to build out that website so that it gets to the top of the front page of Google called SEO, Search Engine Optimization. Well, hey, we have a whole entire company that we own that's separate from our school that we can do that for you. We can have a consult with you for free so that you can go over that and decide if you want that to do that. At the very least, get one-page website to get you started. Everything else we can eventually do for you. So, hey, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Alan. Our passion really is your success. We love contractors. We want to make sure you get your license, set yourself free, set your own schedule, and make killer money. So when you're ready, we're the Contractor License School right there in Lake Elsinore. We're an online program there, or in Hemet. Sorry, we're in Lake Elsinore too, but we're in Hemet. We're the Contractor License School in Hemet. We got your back. Come jump in. We're an online program, and we're going to get you going. Thank you. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.